Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check blocked incoming calls in iPhone. So, if you have unknown numbers blocked on your iPhone, and now you want to check it, then here's a quick video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, all you need to do is go ahead and open the phone app. On your phone app, first, locate and click on voicemail. Most of spam calls or block calls on your iPhone are sent to voicemail. So go ahead and check your voicemail. Again, if you use iOS 26, come to recent, click on menu at top right, locate and click on unknown callers. Then here, if you have any unknown callers on your iPhone, you should have them under unknown callers. And if this goes to missed calls, then you should have the unknown callers under missed calls on your iPhone. And those are the two ways you can use to check blocked incoming calls in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.